just let the silence bloom. A note still ringing in a half-lit room. No slam of the door, just the air getting thin. The kind of goodbye that never begins. And I'm still talking to the echo of your breath, still chasing shadows where your outline never left. It's a crashing quiet, like a wave that doesn't break. You disappeared so gently, but the hurt still shakes. Every corner of this place holds the ghost of your escape. No sirens, no riot, just a crashing quiet. I counted heartbeats like they meant you'd stay, but you drifted softer than the things we couldn't say. Now the clock ticks different and the light feels cold. This room's not empty, just quietly full of almost. And I'm still rewinding things you never said aloud, trying to find the moment where you started fading out. It's a crashing quiet, like a storm you never hear. You vanished in a whisper, but the sound is still near. Every second aches with space that your silence recreates. No noise, just denial in a crashing quiet. Maybe we broke in slow motion. Maybe you meant to fall, but I was waiting for lightning while you were already gone. It's a crashing quiet, and it won't let me go. Like a song with no ending, just a never answered note. If you ever meant to save me, why'd you leave me so composed? No fight, no goodbye, yet only crashing